What up, y'all? Today I'm gonna take you on my ride to work that I take every day. Kind of show you. Lately, I'm meeting up with this DRZ through PB and like fucking mobbing, splitting lanes. So I don't know if it's gonna happen. It just happens randomly, and it's happened a few times now. But it's pretty sick. Hopefully, he'll be mobbing. If not, you'll see me mobbing. Get the bike warmed up. Carburetors. There you go, just gotta give it a little prep. We get down on the way to work. DRZ is so good for PB because it's congested with a bunch of fucking people. You got a mob, and this thing's so thin you can just fly between cars. No DRZ friend today. What up, Ronnie? Piercer. If you guys want piercings and you're in San Diego, PB, go to Chronic Tattoo and ask for Ronnie. That fool's the man. A couple people asked me in my last video, yes, this is a perfect beginner bike. It's a little intimidating because it's tall, but I'm 5'5", and I fucking ride it just fine. It's a light, it's nimble, it's fast. You can go off-road, on-road. Like, comment, subscribe for more content. Yo, see you in the next one.